be for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
No, my Orbeez stress ball broke. Let's scam someone for it. I have this, but not broken, so I'm going to say trading this, and then I'm going to give them that. Trading this legendary Orbeez stress ball.
Me. No, I want it.
What's your offer?
This Poppet and Ryan's World Orbeez stress ball. You're a noob trader. 2 Poppets.
They're both so over, but I'm going to make them add more.
Add more. Pop tube. Okay, I'll add this other Poppet and pop tube.
So far, you're winning, so do you want to add more?
Yes. This steeple and these roller rings.
Ooh. You want to do a deal?
Yes. No, I'll add more, I swear.
Okay.
Fine, he wins. Yay!
Okay, deal.
No, you scammer!
Get scammed, little kid. Bye. I just arrived at the Fidget Hotel. Let's go get my room. Hello, can I please get a room? Sure, here's your room and your floor. OMG, thank you so much. So I'm room 312 and floor 3. Here's my room. Guys, there's a note. Hi, you get a new fidget every day and it will get better. The trading room is on floor 5 and the giveaway room is on floor 2. Have fun at the Fidget Hotel. I think this is the fidget I'm starting off with. I'm going to try to get something better for this, so I'm going to go on floor 5, which is the trading room. Alright, I'm here, and there's offers everywhere.
Offering this monster stress ball, going once, going...
Guys, I'm going to offer. Can I please offer?
Yes.
This is my first day here, and this is all I have. Will you accept?
Well, I really do like this, but since it's your first day, okay.
Yay! Guys, I got the monster stress ball. My goal is to get a Poppet, though. Let's see if anyone will offer for it. Trading this awesome monster stress ball.
Can I offer?
Come back for part 2.
Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Something is delicious! Dun dun! Dun dun!
Hey guys, so I got 2 fidget sets for my birthday. And today I'm going to be opening them. I'll probably need to do part 2 to this. So yeah, first one I'm going to be opening is this one. Oh my god. Okay, first thing I see is this marble mesh. This squishy ball. This fidget spinner. Let me unwrap it. Ooh, this is so cool. I got 2 of these rings. These are really good. I got this soccer fidget spinner. This green and orange snap and click, also known as a wacky track. This harp-shaped puzzle ball. Yellow mochi. Blue mochi. Panda mochi. I got a mini Rubik's Cube. I got a fidget pad. I got this mini fidget spinner. This is a puzzle maze. Another mini fidget cube. Another puzzle maze. Pea popper. Marble mesh. Infinity cube. And this mini fidget spinner. Come back for part 2. I'm running out of time. Part 2, I got this mini pink fidget spinner. I got this. I got this one. This football squishy. And as an extra, they gave me this tattoo. So that's the first one. Now let's move on to the second one. Now we're going to do this one. Okay, so first there are these cards. Let's open it. Oh my god. So we got these monkey noodles, which are really good. Blue and orange wacky track. Green, pink, and blue marble mesh. This water timer. 2 bike chains. I got these balls that stick together. These 3 stress balls. This Rubik's Cube. And last but not least, this pea popper. I just wanted to say I am super thankful for my grandparents because they got me all this since it's my birthday. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, Grandma sent fidgets. I wonder which ones I got. Are those from Shop Mark Ryan 92? They sure are. Here you go. Whoa, I got a Halloween bat, a T-Rex dimple, and a giant 400 bubble popper. What did you get? I got a keychain simple dimple, and I guess that's it.
be playing Cash or Trash with my baby bro.
Hi, everyone.
Okay, he chose the magical puppet. Oh, wait. We're going to redo that. Oh, he chose this one. So this is Cash, and this is Trash. He likes the unicorn dimple. Looks like this is Cash, and this is Trash.
Wow, 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 wow. It's trash and garbage.
You said garbage. Good job. Whoa, that was quick. Trash.
Cash.
Oh my gosh, that was really fast.
Cash. Garbage. Come back for part 2.
Simple Dimple. Pop It.
Sink or float. First is a smash ball. It floated back up. Let's set that down right there. Next is a simple dimple. It sinks. I'll have to get that in a little bit. Okay, guys, by the way, if you guys are wondering, I use the brew filter. Okay, anyways, next is this triple dimple. It's sinking. Next are these 2 pop-it bracelets. That one's sinking, but this one kind of sunk, kind of floated. It's going all the way over there. Let's set that down right there. Next is this snapper. Oh, it also sunk. Why is everything sinking today? Next is this pink unicorn dimple. Oh, okay, it floats. Don't mind the noise. That's my sister. She's also doing a video. Let's just set this down right here. Next are all these poppets. Oh, okay, they float. Let's just set them down all right there. Last but not least is this jumbo poppet. Okay, it floats. Good. Set that down right there. Bye, guys.
Potatoes,
Small potatoes, small potatoes, small potatoes, small potatoes, small potatoes, small potatoes, small potatoes, small potatoes on the moon.
Trading a hair tie for a poppet bag. Let's do this. I really hope this works. It's gone. I hope something actually appears. But I won't be surprised if it doesn't because it was just a hair tie. Aw, I only got a pop tube. Oh my gosh. I got more poppets. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Still no puppet bag though. Yes, we got it. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I got the 3 things that I was hoping for today. And much more. I'm so happy. I wonder what I should trade next time. Let me know in the comments. Bye!
I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, starting in 3, 2, 1.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
Hey guys, so I was really bored today and I just got a great idea. So recently I got a new iPad and this is the box. And I got the perfect way to scam somebody. Look, I'm gonna make people overpay and I'm gonna say that there's a real iPad in here. Let's go. Trading my new iPad. Oh my gosh. That girl just said she's trading her iPad. I've always wanted an iPad. Let's try offering. Hi ma'am, can I please offer for your iPad? Of course. Okay. I'll offer you this blue letters and number poppet, a color changing needle, a tie-dye poppet, and this mini poppet. Please accept. I don't really want to add anything else, so this is my final offer. Oh, okay, then I'll accept. She's kind of under, but it's fine. Yes! Oh my gosh, guys, I just got a new iPad. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to open it. Wait, where's the iPad? Guys, she scammed me. I gave such good fidgets for this bad pea popper, this monkey noodle, whatever this is, and an acupressure ring. I got scammed. Ugh. I am so mad right now, guys. Ugh.
Hey everyone, today we're going to be reorganizing this fidget drawer because as you can tell, it's really messy. And we have our baby brother here as well. So first, we're going to be starting with the first drawer. And we're going to be dumping all of the fidgets into this box. So as you can see, this drawer was quite messy. Anyway, let's speed it up and we're going to be organizing them in here. Also, we have like 3 more tangles, but we somehow managed to lose them. So we're done with this first box. Now let's fill up the rest of this. Okay, and we're all done with this drawer. Whoa, this is a mess. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by lining up the poppet watches right there. But first I need to get them into like one little stack. Okay, I got them all in like one little stack, so we're gonna be putting them right here. Just like that. Now on to mini poppets. Almost forgot a bracelet. And this little guy will be right here. On to the next one. Also, you can find any of these fidgets in the link in our bio. I'll just be back when this is done. Okay, guys, it's now done, so let's move on to the next drawer. Okay, guys, this drawer doesn't really need to be organized because it already fits perfectly, so let's move on to the next drawer. Okay, now let's dump them into this box. All done, let's get to organizing.
I'm super happy with my puzzle ball. My mom saved a lot of money for this and I really like it. But I think we should start trading it. Let's go to the trading hub. Okay, let's go. Trading puzzle ball, and I really like it. So going once, going twice. Guys, oh my gosh, she's so poor while I'm so rich. We should go flex on her. Hey, I have an offer. My offer is this Nido, this Simple Dimple, this Flexible Nipple, this Tangle, and this Mini Poppet. I accept. Oh my gosh, deal! Haha, I'm just kidding. You really think I would do that trade? You're really poor, so bye. Oh my gosh, guys, she's just a flexer. I'm really sad. Guys, it feels super bad for that girl there. She just got flexed on. And that girl was super mean. She flexed me before when I was poor. But now I'm rich since I have the magical poppet, the pink poppet. And you just tap it and say what fidget you want. So let's go give it to this girl. Hey, would you take this magical poppet for free? I saw that you got flexed. Oh my gosh, yes please. Thanks so much. You're really kind. Whenever I get any fidget, I might give you a lot of them. Thanks so much, but you don't have to. I have a lot of fidgets. So, bye. I'm gonna leave. I can't believe how nice that girl was. Let's go test out the poppet. Okay, so let's go. I wish for a rainbow square poppet. Oh my gosh, it works. I got this nice square poppet. Let's go wish again. I wish for a keyboard poppet and a big poppet. Oh my gosh. Guys, I have so much fidgets now. Let's keep wishing. I wish for a heart shell poppet. Oh my gosh. I guess I'm just gonna do like, maybe like a few more. Let's go. I wish for a lot of good fidgets. Oh my gosh. Look, I got all these good fidgets now. I'm gonna go give that girl some fidgets. Hey, I wanted to give you some fidgets. I wanted to give you this purple poppet, this yellow poppet, this, and this puzzle ball. I want you to keep all of these for free. Oh my gosh, thanks so much. Bye, I'm gonna leave the trading hut now. Bye.